Hello.
Hey, it's Katie, and it's the first full week of July, and we've kind of been pretty chill this week. We've been spending a lot of time inside when the weather's kind of nasty. It's been really hot and humid. The kids have been building this giant Lego world down in the basement. It's a total it's a total mess in the basement, but their Lego world, they're so proud of it, and so it's really cool to see and hear them talk about all the different elements that they've created.
We have a house. This is the ultimate weapon. That's why it's super high up. It's like a lava ball. And we have a helicopter in this huge house where you get to climb up. Here's a weapon, our weapon area. Here's a spider leg thing. So you just drag it and it just makes a little...
Oh, start it back there. I couldn't see it. Okay.
It kind of moves, but it fit on time.
Yeah.
We got some rocket ships, some race cars. Oh, there's a bank. There's a bank of a crystal and a bucket. Here's the walkout guy. This guy can turn all around. That's why he's looking. Oh, and there's also this. If you can turn to this side,
Okay.
you can see like this open thing that opens up.
The secret door.
Yeah, and it also goes behind. There's a laser wall so no one gets the Thanos. Vacation. And here's a garage. It's kind of hard to open because Grant broke it, but I forgive him. I really forgive him.
Oh, that's sweet. What is that pile of tires?
It's a tire pit.
A tire
Where
pit.
somebody can just go dun dun dun.
We have been doing a lot of other fun things around the house. They've been riding their dirt bike, tossing the football, and playing a lot of games. The kids have also had swim lessons this week, so that's always fun to see their improvement and progress week after week as they attend those lessons. We've recently started going to Bear Paddle in Mason, Ohio, and we really love it there. We did make an effort to get out to one of the nature parks in our town. We knew a storm was coming, so we wanted a chance to get out of the house, get some energy out, and so the boys chose the nature park here in our hometown, and it's always just such a good time there. We were like the only ones, so totally sticking to the social distancing element that we all should be doing right now, and it was a great time. You ready? Yeah. Let's go.
Maybe it's my imagination. Maybe I'm just a little high on the summer vibe. I'm smiling wider than the ocean. I'm dreaming big as the sky. Yeah. Throw away all your umbrellas, 'cause chase the clouds away. No, nothing's gonna fade on this parade today. I feel it and I love it. Like every day is sunny. Turn it up to 100. And it just gets better.
Can you take a picture?
I'm taking a video.
Oh. Where's Grant?
I don't know.
Hello. Some echo. But it's pretty dirty.
Nothing's gonna fade on this parade today. I feel it and I love it. Like every day is sunny. Turn it up to 100. And it just
Who wants ice cream?
Me. Dairy Queen. Yeah, we're at Dairy Queen. Those are all the orders. Zoom in.
You're everything I want, you got that sweet. I want it. You got that sweet.
Luke, where's yours? Can we see yours?
Yummy. Did you know there's actually these lines that you gotta go down to the blue, under the blue?
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week. Be sure to subscribe and like our video, and make sure you're going on your own adventures.
Hi. Hello.